Now we will be solving exponential equations, and for this video we will be solving 3 exponential equations where each side has one term only. Each side of the equation has one term only. So in A, so we only have one term on the left, one term on the right. Same with part B. So this is one term, this is one term. One term and one term. Okay. You have solved exponential equations back in Sec 4 for E-Maths. And back then, how do we solve exponential equations? We solve it in 2 ways. Either by making the bases the same or by making the powers the same. However, this time, we cannot do those methods. Why? So for A, x is what we are solving for. We are finding the value of x, and x here is a power. So if we will apply what we learned in Sec 4, we need to make the bases the same, which means we need to make 35. We need to express 35 as a power of 2, which is not possible because 35 is not a power of 2. Hence, we need the help of logarithm. Okay. So we will be using logarithm of base 10 here to solve for the value of x. So how do we do that? We express both of these as logarithms to base 10. So then, the left side will become the logarithm of 2 to the power of x to base 10. So if it's base 10, we no longer need to write it. Same with 35. So 35 will be expressed as the logarithm of 35 to the base 10. There. Now both sides are expressed as logarithms of base 10. Then, the left side can be simplified as x times the logarithm of 2 to the base 10. Power law equals to the logarithm of 35 to the base 10. So now from here, how do we solve for x? So x is the logarithm of 35 to the base 10 divided by the logarithm of 2 to the base 10. And how do we find this value? We use our calculator. So log to the base 10 is this button, this log. So log 35 divided by log 2 will give us that. So we round it off to 3 significant figures. So approximately 5.13. So the value of x here is approximately 5.13. Checking this value of x. Okay. So this will be the answer for part A. Now we move on to part B. So here, part B now, again we have the same issue. Since x is a power here, we can solve by making the bases the same, but again, it's not possible. So we will use logarithms instead. So how do we